It's everybody's favorite topic, the quadratic formula. Let's write this junk really super big and correct on top of the page. This is the opposite of b. The opposite of b. Make the opposite sign really big. Plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Please don't skip the step of writing the formula because if you write the formula wrong, you will for sure get it wrong. Okay, let's do a practice problem together. Ready? A equals 2. What does b equal? It's a tricky one. This is that invisible 1 here, and it's negative, so it's negative 1. And c equals negative 10. Okay, now here we go. I'm plugging in opposite of b. Okay, opposite of b. B is negative 1. Opposite of b is positive 1. Plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 1 squared, minus 4 times a times c times a times c. And that's all over 2 times a. All right, I'm going to take this chunk right here. This is negative 1 squared. That's negative 1 times negative 1. That's 1. Okay. Now, this is negative 4 times 2 times negative 10. You can put it all in a calculator if you want. Or this one you can actually do in your head. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 10 is positive 80. So I get 81. Now, remember, this isn't a square root sign, right? So I'm going to take the square root of that, and I get 9. So all this junk, all that junk, that just equals 9. So when I rewrite my formula, that's good news because I'm not going to copy that junk again. I'm just going to write 9. And down here, I'm going to do my math. I get 2 times 2, and it's 4. Okay, and here, this is where I say, oh yeah, this guy. That means, could be plus, could be 1 plus 9 over 4. Or could be minus, could be 1 minus 9 over 4. 1 plus 9 is 10. Divided by 4 is 2.5. Okay, that's one of your answers. You could write 2.5 as a fraction if you want it. 1 minus 9 is negative 8. Divided by 4 is negative 2. Okay, this solution is going to be my smaller solution just because it's negative, right? If I have a negative and a positive, the negative is always going to be smaller. And this is going to be my larger solution because it's positive.